Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney and welcome to day one of what I'm going to call Thriftmas. It is a series of thrifting videos about saving money and thrift shopping and probably some Dollar Tree thrown in there. And this is going to be kind of my version of Vlogmas. I also have a Poshmark series going on as well. So if you're interested in Poshmark and selling on Poshmark, definitely check out that playlist that I will have going, as well as my thrifting playlist for the holiday season, if you will. So I have an amazing thrift haul for you guys today. It is everything that I got on my way while I was in Dallas at Posh Fest and on my way home from Posh Fest. We stopped in Atlanta and thrifted there as well. So I found a ton of stuff that I'm going to show you guys today. Before I get into that, when I got home from Posh Fest, I had this awesome box that PinchMe sent out to me to test out, and this is amazing. This is an amazing service. You go in and you sign up for PinchMe. It's 100% free, but it is a sample service, and they literally send you products to try. And like I said, 100% free. You just have to sign up, and then every month they'll have a sample Tuesday and you go in and you claim your samples. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got from them just in case you were interested in trying it out. So it's my little PinchMe box. Cute little card. The first thing, this smells amazing, by the way. I opened this box and it is just, I love the smell of it. First thing is this RX nut butter. See if it'll focus. There we go. RX nut butter. I have never tried this brand, but it looks really good. And it says 1 egg white, 18 almonds, half of a date. Almond butter. So I'm excited to try this. Let's see. The next thing is Biore Charcoal Cleansing Micellar Water. How cute is that? Let's see if I can get it to focus. Sorry guys, I just got this camera, so I'm still kind of trying to learn how to get it to focus on things. There we go. Biore Charcoal Micellar Water. That's a pretty decent size, if you can tell. I'm excited to try this. Charcoal is a huge trend right now, so I'm excited they included this in their little box. The next thing I got is Bag Balm, which is a skin moisturizer. And I have super dry skin, so this will be great for me. It's a good size, too. That's a huge little tin of this Bag Balm. The next thing I got is Almond Goat's Milk Soap. It says handcrafted with sustainably and ethically sourced ingredients. How cute is that? All natural soap. The next thing I got is a K-Cup. It says Lantern Glow Light Roast Coffee from Folgers. I will take coffee in any shape or form, so I'm a coffee person. I love that. I can't wait to try this. Probably going to make it after I finish making this video, to be honest. The next thing I got is this Dove Exfoliating Body Wash. See if I can get it focused. There we go. Dove Exfoliating Body Wash. Crushed macadamia and rice milk. I bet this smells amazing as well. Next, Compeed Complete Solution for Blisters. This would have been helpful at Posh Fest, but they're, I guess, just little strips that you wear to keep your feet from getting blisters on them, which that will be great because I'm constantly wearing probably shoes that I shouldn't be wearing, and I have terrible blisters on my feet right now. Here's the card for the coffee. It's 1850 Bold Brew, so I'm excited about the coffee. Last thing, this is, it says Ancient Herbs Modern Life Prevention Wellness Teas, and they sent me the Thrive and Immunity, which will be great because it's getting to that time of year where you're more likely to be sick. So I'm excited about all of my little goodies that I got from PinchMe. If you would like to sign up for PinchMe, I will put my link down below. like I said, 100% free. You just go in and you claim your samples and they send you free products to try, and it's really that simple. They're a great company and I am super excited about my little box. So thank you, PinchMe, for sending that out to me. And now we can go into our thrift haul. So this is something that I got actually in Dallas. Casey's friend, Casey Rockstar Flipper, his friend Sarah picked us up and took us to this local thrift store because she's actually, I think she's from Dallas or she lived there, but anyway, she knew the thrift store. So she picked us up, she took us to the thrift store, and I found these. These are mini Tonka fringe boots. How cute are those? I believe they are my size. Yes, they are definitely my size. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put these on Poshmark or keep them. But I absolutely love these. I have been searching for a pair of black ones because I wear more black stuff than brown. But might end up keeping these because they are super cute and I've been looking for them for a long time. Next up, from the same thrift store, you can tell I was in Texas just by the stuff that I found, but if Texas were a jacket, it would be this jacket. How awesome is this? It's a denim jacket. It's got the leopard print on the top, on the shoulders, and then look at these buttons. How awesome are those? Look at the detail in this jacket, just in that shot. Look at the detail on this. How amazing is that? And it's got the beads and the thread at the top on the collar. This was $3.99. Paid $3.99 for it, but I absolutely love it. It's in amazing condition. It's super vintage. See if the brand, it says Carrie Allen, but it's just absolutely Texas, and I love it. The next day we went to a different thrift store with Sarah, and this was just kind of chilling, hanging out on the end of the rack, but I'm super excited because, you see that? It's Tory Burch. Cute little Tory Burch dress, beautiful pattern. This is not my size, so it will be going on Poshmark. I love finding Tory Burch stuff. It's great quality. People love it. It's just hanging there on the rack. What do you know? So I picked that up. Next stuff is from Atlanta. So, start with this. This is a really cute, just a basic little skirt. It has my favorite, the little whale. It's Vineyard Vines. Vineyard Vines, freshly dry cleaned, size 6. It's a cute little basic skirt, seersucker. Really preppy and adorable. Very southern. Next thing I found is, what brand is this? Sorry guys, having issues. Oh, here we go. This has kind of like a weird neckline on it, but it's a plaid shirt, and it is by the brand Vince. There we go. Vince, size large. Women's plaid shirt, if you can see that. It has this weird like cow neckline on it, which I think is pretty cool actually. But just a blue plaid shirt. I've never found this brand before, so I was excited to find that in Atlanta. Next thing I got is a Cole shirt. It's a men's shirt. Is that focusing? Yeah, okay. So this is a blue plaid men's shirt, which I thought was amazing. I've never found this brand either. Lots of good brands in Atlanta. Lots of good stuff there. Let's see. Next thing I got, it's just a basic men's Patagonia polo. Yellow striped, size large. I I've been trying to get more men's stuff for my Poshmark closet. So I've been trying to look at that more and more. This I thought was really gorgeous. It's by Zara. You can see that. And it's a velvet dress. See if you can see the texture on here. Isn't that gorgeous? I love velvet. It's my absolute favorite. This is size large. I might try it on. I'm not sure if this will fit me, but it might be a little long on me. But I might put it on Poshmark. But it's great condition. Zara is a really popular brand that sells well on Poshmark. This I picked up for myself. This is just like an Old Navy tunic top. Not really a tunic, but just like a loose, casual, going to the grocery store kind of top, which I need more of. Let's see. This I also picked up for myself. I really liked it. I like the color and the pattern. It's just, this is a tunic top. I can wear this with leggings. It's got a little cutout on the neck with a button. And it's got kind of like the peasant style sleeves. The little elastic at the elbow. Which helps because stuff doesn't really fit me well because I'm so short. But I picked this up. I thought it would be really cute with leggings and boots. Last from this bag is Diane Von Furstenberg. I can't really tell if this is like a top or like a swim cover-up or something. But Diane Von Furstenberg always sells pretty well for me. So I picked this up for Poshmark. Let's see. Trying to get myself situated here. Okay. Bag number 2. I picked this up. It's not really like a great brand. It's by The Limited, I think. If I can find the tag for it. Yeah, it's by The Limited. You can see the tag. But I thought the pattern on this was really amazing. It's a cheetah. And it has cheetahs on it, if you can see this. But I thought that was really cool. Just a really cool print. I'm going to put this on Poshmark. Just really trendy. I thought, you know, animal print is really in for the fall, winter. So I picked that up. Next thing is this vintage Victoria's Secret robe. I'll show you the tag so that you'll know. They tagged this so well. Okay. This is vintage Victoria's Secret. And it's just this robe. Like see-through. It does have the belt that comes with it. Just wide arm. Simple bathrobe. Smells really clean. It's got shoulder pads in it, which I guess whoever buys it can cut them out. Next, sticking with my menswear, I found this Tommy Bahama shirt. Just a men's button-down Tommy Bahama shirt. I think it's cotton. I don't think it's silk. Oh no, it is silk. Just kidding. It's kind of a weird silk texture. You can see the pattern on there. This I picked up just because I liked it. Because it's velvet. And velvet is like my favorite thing in the world. This is blue velvet from Old Navy. Just a casual kind of, you can do casual or dressy top. But I really liked it, so I picked it up. I might keep it. I'm not really sure yet. I picked up a pair of Joe's jeans. These are like a cropped capri style jean, dark wash. Next thing I picked up is, this is one of my favorite brands to sell. Eileen Fisher. Has really, really good stuff. It's sold at Nordstrom. It's a great brand. Just a purple cardigan sweater, basic. That's why people like Eileen Fisher, is because it's a lot of basic, timeless pieces. that are great quality and you can keep them forever. So this is another Tommy Bahama that looks almost exactly like the other one that I bought. It's also silk, you can see. Just a men's, it's a polo, no, it's a button down. Men's button down Tommy Bahama shirt. Last thing from my road trip thrift haul. This is a Robert Graham. Awesome men's brand to pick up. But it's a short sleeve gingham men's button down. It kind of has this faint yellow pattern in it as well. It also has this great detail on the buttons right there. And then it has the signature knowledge, wisdom, truth, Robert Graham. You can see the pattern, the floral pattern right there too. Really gorgeous men's shirt. The collar has been starched apparently. But yeah, that is my thrift haul from Poshfest. Lots of great brands that will probably be in my Poshmark closet very soon. And a couple things for myself. I'm trying not to buy so much for myself because I have so many clothes. But I did pick up a couple things, and I'm excited about the brands that I found on the road because I don't see a lot of these brands here where I live usually. But yeah, so that is my thrift haul. If you would like to see more thrift finds, definitely follow me on Instagram. It's Thrifting Debutante. If you are interested in Poshmark, you can also follow my Sydney L. Posh Instagram. I keep them separate because some people are more interested in thrifting and not so much in Poshmark. But you can follow both if you want. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And I will be back later with another Thriftmas video for you guys. I'm going to try to post every day, I hope. So we'll see how this goes. And thank you for tuning in. Definitely check out PinchMe down below. I'll put the link to sign up for that. It's completely free and you guys can get free products to try. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!